Hello everybody. So today we're gonna go through some earning for Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. So I'm gonna go to BIDU, Target, TJMax, Snowflake, Zoom. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first let's work with Target. Okay, so I got a lot of level based on my tracking before. So now we just work on these. So the green is basically the last high, but you can see this candle touch it and can go back. The red basically will go back all the way back here and is considered a support. So now what do we have? So for long term, or actually for midterm, from the beginning of the year, it gave me the bear flag, right? It's like a bear flag. So now, in order to break out the pattern, you need to break 103 and then move higher to 108. Otherwise, we are looking at a pullback and to test the 91 level again. So with decent right now, you say it's not really oversold or overbought. From the last low, 88, it came up about 15%, right? And it closed a gap here and pulled back. So, based on the pattern, more chance of coming down, but with any decent number, we're looking at 108. So 108 is the upper level, and then 91, or we put 90 as a lower level for target. So more chance of 90. Some about, I would say about maybe 30% 108. 60 to 70% gonna go pull back. At least to 94. As low as 90. As is for target. BIDU. Okay, so for the past 5 months or so, it has been moving sideways, even though it tried to trend up a little bit, but would it pull down and then it bounced a little bit. However, it's still, if we look back this orange line from here down here and go down here, is still in the downtrend but moving sideways. So at the bigger picture, it looked like it's a falling wedge, and falling wedge is actually a good thing because now is has kind of like stabilized and moving sideways. with any good news, you will have a breakout. And once it does, we are talking about 105, and the next would be 116. But for now, okay, it's not really overbought, oversold. It got a bounce. So from this low to here, so you can see, right? It was bouncing up, broke down, come back, test this red line. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you see it broke down, bounced from this major support up here again to test the resistance here, the red line, pull back down, test again, and then pull down. The good thing is it has been trending up for now. So based on this, I am thinking with decent number, we will have a bounce to 94. I would say maybe 95. So about 95. If not good number or low guidance, we're talking about coming back to 79. Okay, and even if come down, it most likely will bounce back here because we are still moving, sideways within the wedge of the orange line and the green line. And then out here, we're going to break out here. Maybe, we don't know. It's still moving sideways for now. So that is for BIDU. Next will be TJMaxx. Okay, TJMaxx, I have not looked into this. So we got, so far it's been going sideways, but trending up short term. Okay, and right, so it is overbought, and it is touching the resistance of the top of the channel. So I'm looking for a pullback to 131. Unless it has really good number, then oh wow. So it's basically at all-time high right now. So the sky's the limit for it. But that means most likely we have a pullback due to the overbought condition and the top of the channel. All right. So as for TJMaxx, yeah, stock actually the chart looks good. It might have a pullback, but it might come up again to test the all-time high and the top of this wedge again. And then when it reaches around this area, it might have a bigger pullback to 127 or all the way to 1.5. So it's kind of like that. So that is my prediction for tjmaxx. So a pullback is expected. Snowflake. Okay, snowflake. Okay. See what's going on. So if we chart it from all the way here to here, okay. So in a way, it kind of broke out of this wedge, right? It's moving sideways and then breaking out. But for short term, I'm seeing okay, so that will be the resistance. Okay, that's the current trend. Okay. So the chart looks pretty good. Only thing is overbought. We're here looking for a pullback to at least 171. But with good earning, can come up here to 194. Okay, so 194 and 171, 172. Those are the level based on the earning. But since it's overbought, it need to have really good number to get to 194. Otherwise, we'll see 172 all the way down to 160. Actually, it might go down to 160 due to the overbought. Okay, so that's a gap. Okay, and that is for snowflakes. The last one will be Zoom. Zoom. Let's see. All right, so you can see it did a V-shaped recovery in a way. All right, so you can see it's like an M, and then it broke out, and it kind of like touched it last high. Now acts as resistance and pull back, and it is still overbought. So this is a good candle. So most likely with good number, pretty good. 85 will be the target. Otherwise, we are looking at right here, 79. Closing this gap first. Okay, so let's see. Let's do a quick. Okay, so you look at the chart, it bouncing along the support. It hit this resistance, pull back down, but bouncing up a little bit. With this chart, it have a little bit more room to move up, but due to oversold, it need really good number. Otherwise, we will see it back, do a pullback to 79. All right, everybody. Thanks for listening and stopping by. Please click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you back for the next video. Bye.